Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo and Pato on a seesaw. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Pato. I draw his big eyes like this, his beak, and a hat on his head. Now I draw his neck, his wings, and finally his two legs. He is sitting on one side of the seesaw, like this. And now let's draw the middle of the seesaw, like this. Pocoyo is going to sit on the other side. Let's draw Pocoyo. I draw his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Let's draw his face and the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. Now let's color his body with his two arms and his hands. He is waving his hands, saying hello, and his two legs. I really like seesaws. Do you? Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First I color Pato. As it is a yellow duck, I use this yellow marker. I use orange for its beak and legs. Finally, I colored the hat with dark green. For the seat of the seesaw, I use a navy blue. I am now going to color Pocoyo. His skin will be cream. His outfit is blue, so I'm going to color his clothes with this blue marker. Finally, I color his zipper yellow. For the rest of the seesaw, I use gray and orange. Finally, I color the grass with this green marker. And add some light blue in the background. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.